In this exciting video, I'm going to explain to you what is affiliate marketing and how it works step by step. If you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Darius Mckinney, and on this channel, I'm going to show you how you can start and grow your own online business as an affiliate to make money online. Now, here's what you will discover in the following in this video. You will discover examples of affiliate marketing and how you can get started step by step, and the step-by-step guide what you need to do to start making money online with affiliate marketing. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a free bonus gift that you can use to start on your affiliate market journey as a new affiliate online. And let's get started right now. So in this video, I'm going to break this video down into two different categories. The first one is what is affiliate marketing, and the other one is how it works step by step. So as you can see my screen, I'm on this website called Investopedia. So what this website is going to tell you is what affiliate marketing is. So according to their website, affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which companies comprehend third parties, publishers to generate traffic and leads to companies, products, and services online. So what this means is basically where you're the middleman of basically promoting products for different companies. So once somebody buys that product or service from your link, you make money online. And that's a simple version of affiliate marketing, plain and simple. And here's some examples of affiliate marketing. If you didn't know, affiliate market is one of the world's largest affiliate programs in the worldwide. If I go to Amazon Associate, which is their affiliate program, what they're going to tell you is 3 simple steps you basically do as an affiliate for Amazon affiliate program. So step number 1 is that you simply sign up. Then step number 2 is that you recommend products. And step number 3 is once you share that link and somebody buys through your link, you're going to earn them about a commission, such as like earning up to 10% associate commissions for qualified purchases through their program. So this is one of the biggest examples I can show you as an affiliate to be able to make money, because popular retailers online or offline, such as like maybe like a Walmart, Target, Best Buy, any company that you go to in person or online and shop with, then most likely 9 out of 10 they have an affiliate program you could join, just like Amazon. As you see right here on screen, you can promote products through them to be able to make money online as an affiliate. So here's a little drawing I made for you to better understand what is affiliate marketing and how it works. So as you see right here on my screen, there's 3 different boxes. So the box number 1 is the customer on one end, and the other end you have the affiliate program or the network or the company that's providing all the products and services for that customer to buy. And you're going to be in the middle, which you're going to be the middleman of selling that product or services through social media and advertising online, or you can do this offline. But for this example purpose, you're going to do it most likely do is online, because you're doing online internet marketing and stuff like that. So how we're going to get the customer to buy this product is through free traffic or paid traffic online. So what this means is that you're either going to create content for your customer to see, or paid traffic. So you're going to advertise like the ads you see on social media, and you're going to get them to see that product you get from the affiliate program network. And once you have that link, you're going to share it to them as a customer, and you're going to be able to make a commission once they buy through your link online. Now you might be wondering, how do I become an affiliate marketer and start promoting products online? Well, that's a good question, because all you have to do is simply maybe go to Google and type in their affiliate program, such as like maybe eBay. You want to sign up to the eBay affiliate partner network. All you got to do is click right here, sign up, and create your account with them and start promoting products and services that they have for you to promote as affiliate on eBay. So now that you know what affiliate market is, it's time to move to part number 2, where I'm going to show you how affiliate market works step by step. And before we get to that, if you find a value out of this video, make sure to comment down below. This is great, so I know you're finding value out of this video and enjoying this video so far. And let's get back into my laptop. So how affiliate marketing works step by step is this right here. So step number 1 for affiliate marketing, what you need to do is you need to pick a niche. So you might be wondering, what is a niche? So a niche is a specific portion of the market that is united by a common interest or demographic or a passion. So some examples of niches which you could choose from are these right here. Maybe like pets, you could choose like home organization, fitness, weight loss, maybe like travel, and so on and so forth. So those are the examples of different type of niches you can choose from to get started. So these are 3 types of niches I advise you to choose in to build the most profitable in affiliate marketing. And there's a big reason why, because everything in life ties to these 3 things right here. So which is health, wealth, relationship. And you can go even more deep down in subcategories such as like this. Maybe if you want to choose wealth, you can choose like finance, investing, real estate, or sales. Or if you want to do relationship, you can choose love, dating advice, marriage advice. Or with health, you can choose like diet, nutrients, strength training, and weight loss. So those are different types of categories you can choose from the main categories such as like health, relationship, or wealth. You can subcategorize those different type of categories online to be more profitable with affiliate marketing. So once you have your niche down, it's time to move to the exciting steps to start affiliate marketing. So step number 1 is that you want to join an affiliate program. So to do this, what you want to do is you have your niche, and whatever your niche you want to choose in, you want to type into Google, maybe like weight loss affiliate programs. And now you see right here, here are 12 best weight loss affiliate programs you can join in 2022 to get started. Or you can maybe choose these right here. It's from the 17 best weight loss affiliate programs to promote in 2022 as well. So what you want to do is go to the page and find a affiliate program for you to join to be able to make money. So for this example, I'm just going to choose this weight loss affiliate program, Doing Fast. And you see right here, they tell you all the details about this affiliate program. Affiliate commission, you can earn the $45 per conversion, and they're going to give you the sign up link right here and the affiliate website and full review about this website. And what you would do now is that you simply go to right here, the affiliate sign up, and grab your link to sign up and promote this link. And from here, once you're on the affiliate program, what you're going to do is go right here to for affiliates, because this is going to tell you that you can sign up as an affiliate to promote their products and services so you can make some money online. And once you're on the partner page, what you want to do is enter some account details such as like your website you're going to use, maybe a city, country, state, zip code, and so on and so forth. And then after that, you maybe have some details about like yourself, such as like your password you're going to use for this affiliate program, email address, and so on and so forth. And then you have some additional questions you might answer. And then from here, once you're done, you want to click right here, agree to the terms and conditions, agree to whatever they else have they for you to agree to, and click right here to sign up. And from here, you can get your affiliate link and start promoting it. Now this is step number 2, where I'm going to show you can start affiliate marketing. So this is step number 2. Step number 2 is that you need to promote that product using free traffic source or a paid traffic source. For this example of this video, I'm just going to use free traffic source because you probably don't have a lot of money to get started with affiliate marketing, or no money at all to start affiliate marketing. So this is what I did as a beginner. What you're going to have to do is create some free content around your niche. So this is, for example, we're going to choose weight loss. And you see right here, here's a TikTok page you can maybe create as well to start affiliate marketing. So what you're going to do is maybe give some weight loss facts or different tips or tricks on help people lose some weight. And at the end of your video, or your TikTok video, what you want to do is have a call to action, and you want to include this right here, your affiliate link on your page, and so people can visit your affiliate offer that you have offered them so they can lose some weight and so they can be happy. And once you have done that, they're going to click this link and most likely buy from your link. And once you do that, you're going to start making money with affiliate marketing. And you can do this on other social media platforms as well, such as like Instagram, just like this page right here. Quickly weight loss tips. Do you want to lose weight? Here's some nutrient and simple workout tips that I have for you. As you see right here, they give some different education content for people to lose weight and fat around the stomach. So as you see here, 5 different tips to reduce fat by walking, or maybe 30-day plank challenge they have for you, or maybe like 6 ways to lose weight fast. So you see right here, they give me different tricks and tips for people to lose weight, and this is something you can do as well and create some content around this industry. And once somebody is interested in buying your product, they're going to go to your link right here they have for you to click on and most likely purchase from you, and you're going to most likely earn a commission once somebody click and buy from your link online with affiliate marketing. Now, since you stayed to the end of this video, I want to give you my free gift that I want to give you for you to help you make money online. So the free gift I want to give you is my personal free ebook that's going to help you make money online, particularly with affiliate marketing on your online journey, because I know how it is as a new affiliate online to struggle and don't know where to go. So this is where I'm going to give you all the ins and outs about affiliate marketing from step by step, from A to Z, to teach you about affiliate marketing as a beginner. So all you gotta do is click the second link in my description, and I will give you all the details in the free ebook to learn about affiliate marketing in that ebook. Do you want more content just like this? If so, make sure you check out these 2 videos on screen, because once you check out these 2 videos on screen, I'm also going to show you more ways of how you can start making money online from the comfort of your own home. And it's your boy Darius, and I'm checking out. And now remember, be the boss, don't get boss.